Okay, so it seems like we're recording right now. We're going to give this one a little test run over here. Basically, top-down analysis of the pound. We could see we've been in a 30 uptrend on the monthly chart from a double bottom over here. There's only been 2 bear candles in this uptrend. There's been a lot more bull candles, and the size of the bull candles, they look very, very healthy. And there are more prominent tails to the lower side of the bull candles, right, as opposed to the top, which is an indication of bull strength. The current February candle, very healthy. We have a couple of targets on deck. I'd say over here is the next target, 41.70, and then the next target over here, 43.65. It's on the weekly, sorry, the monthly. On the weekly over here, again, we could see we've had 3 bull closes above this level, and this is the 4th bull close, above the 78, and this one closed above the 88 as well. Last week was very healthy for the bulls. So now on the daily chart, same thing. This bull leg up, very, very bullish. There's only 1, 2, 3 bear bars. Okay, and out of the 3 bear bars, these 2 had very small bear bodies. There's also been wicks to the downside. Okay, yes, there have been wicks to the upside with these 2 small-bodied bear bars. But look at what happened. Boom! It just got immediately reversed. Right. This is also an evening star, a doji evening star. And, it had terrible follow through for the bears. The bulls pretty much negated all of this potential bearish energy that would have been created over here. Okay. 16-hour, you kind of see over here, this was a shallow pullback. This one was a deeper pullback, right? So now we're making a 3rd high over here. Let's see what kind of pullback we get when we reach that point. It's just something to be mindful of. Over here, this was an IIB, an inside bar within an inside bar. Follow with a bullish breakout. So now over here, okay, we could see this did look like a triangle. Okay, it could potentially be like a final thrust that we made. It's not a good triangle by any means, but you know what I mean. It's a sideways consolidation pattern that looks to be narrowing at the top before the final thrust. So this could be the final thrust, or the final thrust could have a bit more juice. Either way, what we're seeing over here, this is called a high 1 bullish reversal. Okay, so the H4 is giving us a high 1. The H1 is giving us an inside bar, and you could see we're kind of creating like a pennant formation, right? Bear bars, but not very confident bears. Lots of wicks to the bottom. So definitely, I'd say it's still bullish. So that's the inside bar, and then over here, this is the setup. So what we're doing, this is creating like a high 2 buy pattern, right? Maybe even a high 3. 1, 2, 3. And then basically we have a morning star over here as well. So this provides ample opportunity. Like you could enter at market over here, or maybe even just above. Put your stop below here, which would be 11 pips, let's call it. And if you aim for the highs, you're at 23. So it gives us a 1 to 2 already. But you could, you still have room to run. So you could potentially squeeze a 1 to 3 before we hit that 1450 psych level. And then, we've got another fib level up here that we have to be mindful of. So I'm going to take this trade at the open, depending on how we open, if the setup is still valid, and I will shoot for a 1 to 3. Let's see how it goes.